How to dry a jellyfish. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. For the first step of making our jellyfish, we're going to begin by making two small circles for the eyes right in the center of the page. Inside of the circle, we're going to fill it in completely black, all except one small space that we will leave white for the pupil. Now let's make the second eye slightly to the right. Now below and in the center of those two eyes that we just made, we're going to use a U-like shape to make a smile for our jellyfish. We're going to use a curved line above each eye to make an eyebrow. Now we're going to enclose everything that we just made with a big circle-like shape. This will be the head of our jellyfish. Fantastic job! Now right below what we just made, we're going to use a squiggle shape to make the mid portion of our jellyfish's body. Now under the mid portion that we just made, we're going to make a total of 5 tentacles. You can make these as close together or far apart and as long or short as you would like. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like our drawing of our jellyfish today, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Let's move back to the head and let's add some detail by using small circles on the right side of the face. Now last but not least, we're going to put one circle on the left hand side of the mouth and one on the right hand side of the mouth to make it appear as if our jellyfish is blushing. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTubers can draw it as well. Now stick around so that we can call our drawing together. Hey, Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.